Hello, I'm CG Yin. This is a quick video to show how to remove background from text in Photoshop. After starting Photoshop, we can go to File folder. I have an image. This is the image with text. I drag and drop into Photoshop to open the image. Next, I press Ctrl+0 to remove it, and then we can make selection for the text. We have many options to select text in Photoshop. One of the options, we can go to select and use color range and use the dropper to pick the red color, and then press OK. We can make selection around the text. Another option, I cancel it first. We can use Magic Wand tool, and then click on red area. We can make selection for the text. Next, we can go to Layers window. If you don't find the Layers window, we can go to Window and show Layers here. I go back to Layers window and then go to bottom. We can find Layer Mask. Make sure that we select the background layer, the image layer, and then we can click to add layer mask. So we make the background transparent. So this is how we can remove background from text in Photoshop. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Yin. See you in the next video.